morning next time. Lumtana lo mara. She's 5 years old. Escape it. Go. Mano. Your baby says, "Ooh, namme waka akam murahore." Angamisa, yo, baby sister Wubi. Mama mangamisa strong. Oh, let's see, babe. Bring the babe. Come here, you. Ole, you are late. I just go do my nails.
Yeah.
Shut up.
For sure.
I have to go do my nails.
Thanks. Thank you.
What you did your nails?
Kind of. They're 3 minutes away.
Nah, I'm sorry. I'm just vibing to the music. Let's do a Q&A. Let's do a Q&A. Kalisa Leah. Leah, man. They're exclusive.
I can see them from here.
So, Mark, forward it a little. Forward it a little. Where you at? Farouk's place. Thank you. Why are you guys asking me what's going on between me and Panda? Why are you asking me that? What? siyaperform niyadlala. Sure. How to blow old? I can blow old with a normal tube, not a vape. What are you doing? Antonio!
What's going on, buddy? Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no.
Welcome back. How you know?
What's up, man? Nice.
What's up, bro?
What's going on, bro? You chilling? I mean, you are
Fancy
chilling.
level.
We do know you're chilling, my buddy.
Let's have a. Not answering out. Okay, so.
By who? Nigga, get up. Nigga, go breathe.
How you doing, Mr. T?
Almost got kidnapped by a white car, man. What happened?
Where's Pink Fur? Pink Fur is at the mansion.
Toyota.
Why are you smoking?
Yes.
Because I
The
can.
one that was looking for me, that's how I did.
Yo, can you please follow me again? What do you mean again?
And then everybody's like, they went that direction when the body side up the house. And then by the time you turn back around. As I'm telling you, everybody's like, and I told them that that's not following.
Have they seen you with me?
No, I think also for where you came out to. Remember back then when you
What happened between Lebo and Faku? Like, does it look like something happened?